Think you've got your garden watering down? Think again. These 5 common watering mistakes could be the reason your plants are struggling or even dying. Let's make sure every drop counts and get your garden thriving like never before. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're serious about growing better, stronger, healthier plants. Let's kick it off with one of the biggest offenders: watering during the heat of the day. When you water under direct sun, most of it evaporates before it ever reaches the roots. That's wasteful and ineffective. Best time? Early morning, before 10 a.m. That gives plants time to soak up moisture before the sun gets intense. Evening is okay too, but it can increase the risk of mildew or fungal disease if the leaves stay wet overnight. Here's one that's hurting your roots: shallow, surface level watering. You wet the topsoil and call it a day. Problem is, the roots never learn to grow deeper where moisture lasts longer. Solution: deep watering. Aim for at least 6 inches down. This encourages strong, drought-resistant root systems. You might only need to water 2-3 times a week, depending on your setup. If you're spraying water over the top of your plants, you're doing more harm than good. Wet leaves invite disease, especially in warm, humid weather. Your goal? Water the soil at the base of the plant, right where the roots need it. If you're using a hose, invest in a watering wand. Or even better, go with drip irrigation or soaker hoses for a set it and forget it option. This one's simple but powerful, not using mulch. You're watering regularly, but the heat dries it up fast, and you're left wondering why your plants are wilting. A 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch, like straw, wood chips, or grass clippings, helps lock in moisture, suppress weeds, and keep soil cool. It's a must-have in every garden. Are you watering just because it's Tuesday? Stop right there. Your plants don't follow calendars. They follow conditions. Check the soil first. Stick your finger in the dirt up to your second knuckle. If it feels dry, water. If not, wait. Better yet, grab a moisture meter for accurate readings. Let your garden tell you what it needs. So there you have it. 5 watering mistakes that could be robbing your garden of its full potential. Fix these, and you'll see healthier plants, stronger roots, and bigger harvests. If this video helped you out, hit that thumbs up, share it with a fellow gardener, and drop a comment below with your biggest watering challenge. And if you're not already subscribed, now's the time. Join our gardening community for more tips that grow with you. Until next time, keep growing with purpose, peace, and petals.